go.
Yeah, you know, Eddie who's still driving.
Give it a cake.
He is. Give it a cake. Cake.
What do you say? I'm gonna hand it to you.
Does Grandma Pat know how messy Grandma Pat's gonna get?
Well,
All done. We're still
that's not your spoon, is it? No. I don't know about this ice cream.
Has she ever had ice cream?
No, she's never had ice cream before. We can give it to her.
Well,
Small. See if she likes it.
She's not used to things cold, so she might be like, what?
But she's Daddy's girl. She'll like ice cream.
she might be lactose intolerant, honey. She might not be able to have it.
That's when she was first born.
Oh, yeah.
You're not gonna let her dig in?
With her hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got an extra change of clothes.
Okay, I guess they're telling you to go for it. Give me
You gotta take the fork away though. You're confusing her.
Oh.
No worries.
Go in for it. Go for it.
She'd rather have me do it.
Nice. Sydney.
Nice move, Sydney.
Sydney.
Oh, look at the giraffe.